All right, so this is actually 6.8 part 2 because part 1 was just ladies. Part 1 was just graphing the radical functions. Here we're solving equations with radical functions. And remember, we did it by graphing instead of algebraically because it's funner, right? Funner. Funner. It is funner. So let's do some funner stuff on the back. You were supposed to do this for practice last night, right? Okay. This is my y1 function. And this is my y2 function, right? Okay, my y2 function here is easy to graph, right? It's a what? That's right. Horizontal line at y equal 3. You guys are awesome. Okay, now I need to graph the other function. Y equals the square root of x plus 4. Put that sucker in my calculator. Let's see, y equals the square root of x plus 4. Graph it. Go to our table, get some good points. First of all, what's our starting point? Yep, negative 4, 0, right? So let's go to negative 4, 0. So negative 4, 0. Then I've got negative 3, 1. Negative 3, 1. And then I've got 0, 2. I'm going to keep going here because it looks like I'm going to intersect this line. How about 5, 3? 5. And look at that. I got lucky. Here's my radical graph. So, what's my solution here? This is the intersection point, 5, 3. And somebody said, remember, this is my xy coordinate, and somebody said the answer is 5, and that is indeed the correct answer. See how easy these are? Very, very easy. Extremely easy. So easy that you don't even have to listen to me. You can sit there and talk to your neighbor or girlfriend or boyfriend. What? Yes, I'm going to do all these. Okay? All right, number 2. Number do. Do. Dos. Do in French. Do in, maybe it's do in French and then dos. I don't know. I don't care at this point. All right. Here's my y1 function. And here's my y2 function.
Why?
Now, how easily we forget. The y2 function, what form is that in? The x minus 5, what form is that? Yeah, y equals mx plus b, right? That's a line. It's slope-intercept form. So, what's my b here? And my slope? 1 over 1. You could put this in a calculator and get it. Okay, so I start at the y-intercept, negative 5. My slope is 1 over 1. Up 1, over 1, up 1, over 1, up 1 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 over 1. Or I can go down 1 to the left 1, down 1 to the left 1, down 1 to the left 1, down 1 to the left 1. Right? So here's my y2 function, the line. My y1 function, y equals the square root of x minus 3.
Why?
Now, You could put this in a calculator and figure it out, but we know what the parent function is, right? 0, 0, 1, 1, 4, 2. You could just move all of those points to the right 3, but that's way too much brain work. I'm going to use my calculator. Okay, square root of x minus 3. Graph it. My starting point is positive 3, 0, right? Positive 3, 0. My HK. There's my HK, positive 3, 0. 4, 1. 4, 1. 7, 2. Let's keep going. Hopefully we'll hit that line. 12, 3. Here's 12, 3. Nope. There's got to be a, 7, 2. I don't know why I put 5, 2. Oh, here it is. Thank you for pointing out my mistake. That's how I learn. Okay, here's my XY coordinate. And my X is 7. And my Y is 2. What's my solution? Wonderful. See how easy that is? I don't mean to insult your intelligence with this easy work. I'm so sorry. Okay, number Trey. Or Trace, as we say in Espanol. All right, my first function. Ooh, we have a cube root. This is going to be funner. And my y2. Ooh, y2 is easy. It's going to be a horizontal line at 4. y1, cube root of x. Now that 2 is outside the radical, so that's a k. What's my hk? That's right, 0, 2. Okay, cube root. Hit the math key, number 4, brings up the cube root. Doing the x. Close it off because the 2 is outside the radical, so plus 2. Graph it. Get your points. Ooh. -1, -1. -1, -1. No, -1, +1, sorry. 0, 2. I'm learning from my mistakes, right? 1, 3. 8, 4. Ooh. We have an intersection. Then our problem solved. Point of intersection, 8, 4. What's my solution? 8. So sorry. I have to apologize. These are so easy. Last one. Number 4. Here's my y1 function. Here's my y2 function. Do you guys remember y equals x line? Not straight up and down. From corner to corner, yeah. My y equals x. And then we got to do cube root of 4x. Huh. You know what? We haven't done a coefficient inside the radical, have we? I can't remember what that transformation is. Old and feeble. My mind's going. CTE. Alzheimer's. Let's see. Cube roots. Math. Number 4 of 4x. Graph it. Do anything? I don't think it does anything, does it? Let's check it out. My HK00, right? Hey, I already know one of the solutions. Could be more. -2, -2. Hey, look at that. There's another solution. What other ones do we have here? It's -16.4, so way out here somewhere. Somewhere out there. And then let's go positive, because we're that kind of people, right? We're just positive people. I'm the most positive person you'll ever meet. 2. May lightning strike me down if I'm lying. Yeah, and 16.4 again. So it looked like it only stretched the middle of the line here, right? Okay, so my solution, I have x equals -2. I have x equals 0. And I have x equal 2. Well, that was cool. Again, I apologize for insulting your intelligence. Okay, so you picked up a worksheet, right? What does it look like? Bookwork. So 6.8 part 2 bookwork. Is page 418. Numbers 22, 23, 49, 51, 54. Hey, just won the lottery. See you guys later.